A group of low-income housing organizations in Indianapolis is able to provide internet access to their residents through the work of a team made up of Catalyst Technology, a Cisco managed service partner, Trajectory, an IT consulting firm, Partners in Housing, and John Bonner Neighborhood Centers. This is their story.
Our mission is to inspire partners and neighbors to improve the quality of life here on the Near East Side.
So the mission at Partners in Housing is really to provide housing for those that have been chronically homeless.
How do we ensure the folks we're caring for through housing have access to broadband internet service so they can meet the needs of their household?
Internet, I think everybody has to have it. And if you don't have it, you really can't function in this society. It's almost like when you got to decide, what am I going to pay for, Wi-Fi or am I going to pay for food? You shouldn't have to make that decision.
As we began to think about internet service access for our residents, we reached out to Trajectory, which is our IT provider.
My name is Matt Belsas. I'm the president of Trajectory. Trajectory is an IT consulting company that works only with nonprofits. My career working with nonprofits here in Indianapolis started about 12 years ago. I really saw how technology could not only improve the bandwidth of their entire organization and the work that they were trying to accomplish, but really to open up the capacity for the staff that were doing the frontline work.
We were working with the city of Indianapolis on an RFP that would allow any affordable housing provider within Marion County to actually apply and receive the capital funds to be able to install internet services into their building. And it was through Matt and his team and working with Cisco and others that they designed the system.
Hi, I'm Bob Thompson, and I'm Vice President of Business Development with Catalyst Technology Group. Catalyst is a MSP, full service provider. When we were discussing this opportunity, the idea was, how can we provide services at a reasonable, at a sustainable cost? It had to be secure, had to be something that wasn't going to blow out the bank. We concluded that Cisco Meraki was needed for this project for several key reasons. The first being, you can remotely manage this. The second being, cloud support is occurring 7/24. And with advanced security on the MX devices, you have access to security levels that literally can be in $500,000, $750,000 ASR devices.
The real benefit of the Cisco solution is that it's an entirely hands-off installation process. We are able to build the network before the hardware even arrives to our door. We are able to deploy the network completely set up ahead of time, so as soon as it plugs in and connects to the internet, the system is live. You know, the requirement on this program is that the city pays for the hardware, the owner of the property pays for the service and the maintenance of the installation for the next 5 years. We went ahead and worked with Catalyst and worked with Cisco to extend that to 10 years.
Well, we were very excited when we received a grant from the city of Indianapolis to make sure that all of our properties had Wi-Fi access for our residents.
At the end of the project, we've got 800 plus apartment units all now lit up with wireless internet, and it's truly been a game changer.
When I look at what Catalyst, Trajectory, and Cisco have accomplished here and continue to accomplish in the city of Indianapolis, I'm reminded of what I've told my peers in different meetings and at trade shows. When they say, you use Cisco Meraki, how can you afford that? I look at them and I say, how can you afford not to use Cisco Meraki equipment? You will not find a better value, a better return on investment as an MSP than going with Cisco Meraki.